Yes, sir. Just tell me about how do you feel about SciComm and its Astrocamp event?
Well, I came across this event by accident. I was looking for what to do for this day, and this event came up on my screen. By accident, I actually liked the event because it was one of the only such events happening every like 10 odd years. So it immediately caught my attention, and I signed up for this course.
So, Abhishek, how would you like to rate SciComm and its event, and how
I
often
want
you want to join this kind of event?
I want to join it every time you will organize this event, and I found it very awesome, and I will rate it at 5 on 5.
And I will surely rate it 5 on 5.
Overall, this event was fantastic because after my school days, I never really went into these stars and moons and planets and nebulas and stuff. So the staff were really helpful in giving a ground-up view of the planetary system.
I will also recommend this event or such kind of a thing to my friends because you learn a lot and you spend very valuable time with your friends and family members. And everything over here, particularly which the Blue Camp organized, was very well, very nicely organized.
Recommend to this event to school kids, definitely middle school children, but also enthusiasts and other people who are interested to come and spend the evening with these guys. It's a fantastic event, so thank you for this. Thanks.
Thank you, Amiji. Thank you. Thanks a lot.